potential tourist na gustong pumunta sa Curimaw, what can you tell me that would convince me to go to Curimaw as a tourist?
Our municipality doesn't only offer pleasurable adventures like hiking, tas tata adati pag-raftingan, di paguludan, tapos adati pag-kayakingan di gaang. Adut tina-develop nga historical places nga dati kat daan-daan na lang ti tao. Tatakit mapanda pa'y bisbisitaang daydayuan tis tagasabsabali nga lugar.
I can see you're confident. That's very good. Congratulations. My question lang for you is, you described yourself as a public figure. So being a public figure, how have you used that to bring a positive impact to the people of Ilocos Norte, and how have you handled that stature and the reputation that comes with being a public figure?
You need to maintain a good image. You need to be careful with your words and with your actions. For me, I also need to envision a good dream, not only for myself, but for the whole Ilocos Norte. And what I am compassionate about is serving my people and educating the young people, especially in our community. And I maintain good reputation to my community by respecting them. One of the best example is this Miss Ilocos Norte, wherein we candidates came from different races, different culture, and so we need to respect them. We need to celebrate with them as well.
So my question for you is, I was going to ask Sana about the community pantry, but Mama already asked you. So for me, for this COVID-19 pandemic, alam naman natin ang mga bakuna kakarating lang. And ultimately, that's really how we are going to curb the spike of this pandemic and achieve herd immunity. But we know that a large population, not just in Ilocos, but in the Philippines, have vaccine hesitancy. Ayaw nila magpabakuna kasi nakakatakot daw. So if I was someone who was vaccine hesitant, how would you convince them that taking the vaccine is safe and ultimately the only way to cure this COVID-19 pandemic?
I am aware that the vaccine is for immunization, sir. So I'm going to explain it to you and encourage you, enlighten you on the different factors, the disadvantage, and of course the advantages of taking the doses. Especially that now we are still on the process of curbing it. I will encourage you by simply telling you to read and practice your due diligence in order for you to know more about this COVID vaccine, sir.